What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going over Gala Games. Currently at 0.045, down 8.6 on the day. See, market cap of 313 million, 24-hour volume 301 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto completely for free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Let's hop into the charts. So, Gala Games pulling back in our wave 2 of the wave 3, the larger wave 3. Nice 5-wave move to the upside. Looks like we're going through a beautiful ABC correction. Bring it down in between 0.038 and 0.042 in a wave 2 before seeing continuation to the upside in a wave 3. So if we zoom out, what we're looking at here, our largest wave count from the low is a wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback. And then you're looking to push up in that larger wave 3, which consists of 5 waves. So if we zoom in, we have a wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in that 3. And within that wave 3 are 5 waves. So we've pushed up in a wave 1, and we're currently going through the wave 2. And what looks like a nice ABC correction. We took a beautiful long trade off this retest of this descending channel. I added a second entry just below support here with the stop loss down below the previous low, and here's the take profits, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. So that pullback zone lines up with the bullish cross that's about to print on the daily time frame. So I think it's likely that Gala Games is going to come back down to those EMAs, to our pullback zone, hold support, bounce, and see absolutely juicy continuation up to our price targets here. That's what I think is likely and looks probable, in my opinion. Beautiful wave 1 to the upside, wave 1, wave 2 pullback, looking for that continuation, bottom in for our friend Gala Games. My HODL position is completely fully loaded, and I'm excited to ride it all the way up to $2, potentially 3 to 5, if it does anything like we've seen previously with metaverse projects and previous bull markets. All right, gang, so it's playing out to a T. That's what we like to see. So look for a bounce from this zone. We've already reached the minimum target for a wave 2 before pushing up in a wave 3. Let's say we pull back to the 50% fib level at 0.0426. Then your wave 3 target would take you up to a juicy, would take you all the way up to 0.07, which would be extremely succulent in my opinion. Put in a wave 4, final wave 5 to complete that larger wave 3 to the upside for Gala. All right, sign up to one of the exchanges, grab those bonuses. I recommend Bickit. Check out my full length tutorials, email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, talking all things crypto. Completely for free at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis, trade signals, as I mentioned. Just gave a signal for Gala Games not too long ago, a few days ago. Crypto news, member profits, hard to all plays, $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Same price as a Netflix subscription. All right, gang, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.